In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate an email to another language. If you've ever opened an email in a language you don't speak, Gmail has a built-in translation tool that makes it quick and easy to understand the message without copying and pasting anywhere else. Start by opening your browser and going to gmail.com, then sign into your account. Once you're in your inbox, click the email you want to translate so you can view its full content. This works best on a desktop browser, and the process is very straightforward. When the email opens, Gmail will automatically check the language of the message against your account's default language. If the email is in a different language, you'll usually see a banner appear at the top of the message with a Translate Message option. Click Translate Message, and Gmail will immediately display a translated version right inside the email. You'll typically see the detected language and the language it's translating into, so you know what's happening at a glance. If you want the translation in a different language, look for the drop-down in that same banner. Select your preferred language from the list, and the email will update instantly. If you'd like to compare or double-check something, you can toggle back to the original text at any time using the option in the banner. This is helpful if certain terms or names look unusual after translation, or if you want to confirm specific wording. If you don't see a banner at the top of the email, you can still translate manually. Click the three dots in the top right corner of the message to open the More Options menu. From there, choose Translate Message. A small panel will let you select the target language. Pick the language you want, then click Translate, and Gmail will render the translated version right away. A few tips to keep in mind as you use this feature. Gmail translates the text of the email itself, but it won't translate text embedded inside images or screenshots. If the translation option doesn't appear, it may be because the message already matches your default language, or the content is too short for Gmail to confidently detect a different language. Also, translations are meant to be helpful and readable, but they may not be perfect for idioms or technical jargon. The good news is that nothing about your email is permanently changed. Translation is just a view you can switch on and off. And that's it. Open the email, use the Translate Message banner, or manually trigger translation from the three-dot menu, choose your language, and you're done.